Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, and in this video, I wanted to talk to you about ways to rebuild healthy love, and mainly one way to rebuild healthy love. Because what I've seen over the last 10 years is that individuals try to convince their significant other to take them back. You are begging, pleading, argumenting, writing love letters, telling them how much you've changed. But the reality is that you're not going to convince them to take you back. That is not healthy. It's either manipulation or it can be a form of desperation. And that's not healthy and that's not attractive. What I wanted to convey to you today is that very often individuals fall into these dynamics because, of course, they let their feelings and their emotions get the best of them. But also because you're stuck thinking one type of way. And the reality is that it's not about convincing someone to take you back. It is about thinking in terms of what they need from you, not just what you need from them. Because what you need is clear. You need their love, you need their forgiveness, you need their trust, you need their attention and their validation, and you keep conveying that to them in different ways. Whether it's by communicating, texting, calling, sending a letter, showing up at their doorstep, reaching out to their friends, stalking them on social media. In essence, that's what you're doing. You're stuck thinking about what you need from them instead of thinking about what it is that they need from you. And when you start to think about this person's needs, this person's aspirations, it can really transform everything. And it's no longer about trying to convince them of anything. It is all about creating a healthy dynamic and the right conditions for them to choose to be with you out of their own free will and volition, not because you've convinced them to. Many people who don't understand the X-back process, what we do, think that this is what it's about, convincing someone to take you back, tricking them into giving you another chance. But that's definitely not at all what this is about. Over the last 10 years, we have helped individuals to really take a step back, develop a level of self-awareness, not be prisoner to their own ideas and their own needs and desires, and to start to become better potential partners, better friends, better spouses, by making a true change, a true transformation that enables you to support this other person's growing pains, aspirations, and desires. And so that means that, for instance, if your significant other needs space, or even if they block you, it means honoring their need for space. It means using that time and space to also grow and better yourself. And it means reestablishing communication with them in a way that is healthy, that's non-threatening, that's validating, but in the right type of way. A validation that stems from the fact that you understand their needs in a profound way, that you're able to communicate with them without seeking their validation, but from a place of genuine care, genuine concern, and one that's not laced with all of your anxieties, your fears, your desires to be with them. True love is detachment. True love is acceptance. True love is selflessness. And so how do we embody that in this process? Very often determines how successful we are and how likely we are to be able to create this new relationship, because that's what this is about, creating something new, learning from the past, but not being a prisoner of the past. And when you reach out, seeking something from your ex, their validation, etc., actually you have not broken free from the past. You're still that person that they said no to. And it's not empowering to you, and it's definitely not empowering to them as well. So how do we get there? How do we learn to be more selfless, to support our partner's needs, to identify what those needs are? This is where coaching comes in. This is where I invite you to consider working together so that I can help you make the most out of this unique opportunity that is this breakup or this separation. It's not just a painful, catastrophic moment of your life. It's an amazing opportunity to create healthier dynamics in your relationship and for you to develop certain qualities that will make you a better partner, a better potential partner. And if your significant other doesn't see that or isn't willing to take that step to meet you halfway, well, it will be their loss, because you will be the person that they always wanted to be with. And it's a process that's free from manipulation, free from any sort of pressure and even power dynamics. I no longer like to refer to balance of power, because it entails convincing someone of something that they are not making a conscious effort to choose to engage with. It's not just about getting back together. It's about laying a healthy foundation. That's what my approach is all about. That's what this no contact mindset is all about. That's why I've created an entire new channel, YouTube channel, talking about no contact mindset by Coach Adrian, in order to really change the discourse and the narrative around this notion of no contact as a strategy. It is not a strategy to get someone to miss you, to reach out to you, and to ultimately commit to you again. It's way more profound than that. It is a way to ensure that we create the right conditions for our significant other to choose to be with us consciously, because they see new potentialities and new possibilities, not just because they miss us and they want to make sure that we haven't moved on. And if that's the type of mindset that you want to develop and the type of relationship that you want to build, then let us together work on laying that foundation. And it'll be my pleasure to be your coach or to support you in any way that you see fit. My name is Coach Adrian. This is Love Advice TV, a channel that we launched years and years ago that has evolved over the years, but always centered around trying to help you reach your goals of creating a new and improved relationship with the one you love. If you want more support, more content, I have created this separate project called No Contact Mindset that's exclusively my voice and my approach to healthy relationships. And I invite you to check those videos out, because I think you're going to like them a lot, especially if you liked the approach, the essence of this video and the message that is being promoted here. And if you want to take it a step further, know that my colleagues on this channel are here to support you as well. And we would welcome having the opportunity to work with you one-on-one if and when you're ready. As always, thank you for the trust. Thank you for the support, and keep fighting the good fight. See you soon.